Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Inshallah, today we will analyze the 10th ayah of Surah Mulk. أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. Now, the ayah starts with a waw maftuha. For the makhraj of waw, you have to circle your lips, forming a circle of your lips, leaving a gap in between. You have to make sure it doesn't sound like a v, rather it is a wa, which is read for one count. وَقَالُوا قَا. For the makhraj of qaf, take care it doesn't sound like a kha. It shouldn't be like a kha. It should be like a qa. And it is going to be read for two counts as it's followed by an alif. قَالُوا. The lu is even for two counts as the lam is magmuma followed by a waw sakina. Make sure you circle your lips, leaving a gap in between. Law. Lam maftuha followed by waw sakina forms a lean over here. It's very simple. You just have to make the sound clear. It shouldn't be low. It will be low. Kunna. Again, for the kaf, it has a dhamma. So circle your lips and join it with noon, which is having a shadda on it, giving it the most complete level of gunna. Kunna. Na. There is an alif mad over here, so it will be stretched for two counts. Nasma'u. The noon is a light letter. It shouldn't be no, it will be na, noon, fathana. Now that will be joined with seen, sakina, nasma'u. Run the scene for some time. Make sure that you're not bouncing the scene and that it has a whistling sound in it. Nasma'u. Meme will also be one count and it will be light. For the makhraj of ayn, make sure that you are reading it from the correct makhraj. Aw. You again have a waw liniya over here. Make the sound clear. Aw. Naqilu. You join the noon with ayn over here, keeping both the letters light. And make sure you don't bounce the ayn sakina as well. Na'a. No. Run the makhraj of ayn for some time. Just enough that you don't bounce it. Or you don't give qalqala on it. Naqilu. Qaf is having a kasra over here. It will be given one count. Now, qaf is a heavy letter in its nature itself. Even though it has a kasra over here, it will still be read heavy, with heaviness in it. It won't be as heavy as qaf with fatha or dhamma. It will be lesser than that, but still it will be heavier than the other letters. Because heaviness is its characteristic itself. Naqiqi, naqilu, lu. The lam is having a dhamma. Circle your lips for the dhamma, leaving a gap in between. Ma. Then you have two counts over here, keeping the meme light and reading the alif mad with two counts. Kunna. The same things as we discussed earlier. Circle your lips for the kaf and join the kaf with the noon mushaddad, giving it akmal gunna, and then reading the two counts mad. Fi ashabi. Between these two words, there is a mad which is for 4 or 5 counts, which will be lengthened for 4 or 5 counts, which is mad jaiz munfasil. Okay? So stretch the ya for 4 or 5 counts. Choose one of them. Either you'll stretch it for 4 or 5. And then you join the hamza, keeping it light. You join it with sod, which is a heavy letter. F. The sod is heavy. Give it safi, the whistling sound. The ha, it should be sharp, and it will be read for 2 counts, as there is an alif saghira followed by it. Ashabi, ha. Make the ha clear. It shouldn't sound like ha. Ashabi sa'id. The ba will be joined with the seen, mushaddad, keeping the seen light. It should be light, and then you read the ayn with a mad, as the ayn is having a kasra followed by a ya. 2 counts, taking care of the makhraj of ayn to read it from the correct makhraj. Now the ra will be read light while finishing the ayah off, as the ra is preceded by ayah. As-sa'ir. That is it for today, inshallah. Jazakallahu khair. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.